In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on your Weebly website. We'll start by getting to the exact place in Weebly where you prepare a page to showcase your products. First, head to your Weebly account and open the overview screen. This is your main dashboard, the hub where you can see your site at a glance and jump into editing. If you manage more than one site, double check you're looking at the right one before moving on. Keeping your workspace organized here will save time later when you start arranging your store. From the overview, click on Website for the site you want to update. This opens the site's management panel and puts you one step away from designing the page where your products will appear. If you see prompts about domains or publishing, you can ignore those for now. Our focus is on getting into the editor so you can set up the right page structure. Next, click Edit Site. This launches the Weebly editor, where you'll control your pages, sections, and settings. Give the editor a moment to load. Assets like themes and page previews may take a few seconds. It's a good idea to confirm the site name in the top bar so you know you're editing the correct website before making changes. Inside the editor, open the Pages drop-down to reveal all the pages on your site. This control is usually near the top and shows the page you're currently viewing. Opening it helps you quickly jump to the spot where your products will live, whether that's a dedicated shop page or a section on your homepage. For this walkthrough, select the homepage. Many sites introduce key products right on the homepage, even if they also have a separate shop page. Choosing Home now ensures you're working in a high visibility area as you prepare to feature items and guide visitors toward your catalog. Look for the small gear icon associated with the page and click it. This brings up options specific to the page you're on. Handy when you want to control how the page appears in navigation and search, or how it frames your product content. Now click View Page Settings. Here, review details like the page title, visibility, and SEO description. Keep the title clear and relevant. Set visibility to show the page in your menu if you want easy access for shoppers, and add a concise description to help search engines understand your content. These settings lay the groundwork so that when you place your product content, it's positioned for both visitors and search. At this point, you're in the right place to add and organize products confidently. With your page open and settings reviewed, you're ready to build out the section that will display your items and guide customers through your store.